Hello my friends, today I want to go ahead and show you how to make laundry soap 2.0 so you can save so much money for yourself, your family if you do this. So this is 2.0 because we have a better way to do it than before. So basically what you can see I have here before me is I have a bar of ivory soap right there. I have borox and then super washing soda. So we have a cup, and then that is basically one bar, and we just have the bar sitting there just so you can see. You also may want to get a container. Now, just so you know, I might actually put, I think YouTube has this thing where you might be able to like click the little thing on the video screen, and I might actually be able to put some of these products up so you can just like kind of click and look at them. If you wanted to buy them, you could, and I can make commission. But I might put some of those up, and you can look in the description or on the screen. You might actually see a thing to click. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and how we're going to do it. So these are all the products. I just want to show you, we actually have 2 jugs that we use, and this seems to be really good for our family. We don't just have one, we have 2. We've already been heating this pan up, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the ivory soap into this pan. As you can see, we have it grated out on a plate, but that's more for you than for us. Normally we may just grate it right over the pan on the stove. Alright, so she's going to go ahead and put it in on the stove right now, and then what are we going to do now?
Wait for it to melt.
Okay, should I stir it or anything?
Yeah, we stir it. It's on medium heat.
So here we are, just going ahead and stirring it, and once it's dissolved, what do you do then?
You add the washing soda and the borax.
Okay.
And then what I do is add some cool water and 1 or 2 cups of the Purex.
Okay, you've been patiently waiting, but you maybe wondering, why do you have laundry soap if you're making laundry soap? And I'm so glad you asked this question, and we have waited till now to tell you this. Why do we do that, Monica?
It just makes it so when you when it cools, it actually pours better instead of it clumping up.
I'm telling you, this makes so much difference. Now, this is what the type of laundry soap that we're using for that. Do you think it's possible, Monica, that someone could use a different brand?
Oh yeah, any brand you want. Free and clear. I probably would prefer free and clear. This one has some weird smelly stuff in it, but any kind you want.
Okay. Now the soap has melted, so what are we doing now?
Putting in the washing soda and the borax, and I just pour it in, stir it around.
And you may be able to look on the screen and order the stuff if you don't have it, and order it right to your house.
And you can see it starts thickening up right away. And I turn the heat off. Really, you only need heat to melt the soap. So.
And
now
how long?
I'm going to add cold water.
How much cold water?
I try to fill it up as much as I can, and then I'll add 1 or 2 cups of this, and that whatever ingredients is in there just kind of makes it pour better later once it's cooled down. Or you don't have to add that, you can leave it out, but you need to shake and stir it once it's completely cooled and remix it.
Yeah, trust me, everyone, this is so much easier. Now, how much water did you start out with initially? Was it about a gallon or so, or half a gallon?
I don't know.
Does it matter?
I mean, I try to use the least amount to dissolve the soap, because I just have to then I can add cold water to cool it down.
Okay. Okay, so here we are. We have the water, we have the pan, and we're just going to go ahead and add some cool water in. And this pan, I think is about 9.5 inches wide, and I think it's 7 inches deep, and there's about 2 inches of soap in there, I think, before. And now she's adding the laundry soap. You do a couple cups or so?
Yeah, you can do 1, but lately I've been doing 2 just to make sure. It works with 1 too.
Okay, so here we have the big bottles, and they are being filled with the soap. Cool water was added to it. And how many gallons does this make? How many are these each? Are these 5 gallons each?
3 gallons.
3 gallons, so 6 gallons?
Yeah.
I think you've had extra before, right?
Yeah, I have a few other containers that I usually fill too, so maybe about 5 gallons.
All right, my friends, so we're about done. I just want to show you might just want to be used like an old laundry container to put, some in so you can pour it out of into the washer. And also maybe if you make some, you might even be able to like put some in these as well. So if you like the video, please subscribe. And also look on this screen and there might be like something about products or something like that. You can probably click that and you might see some of the same stuff or similar type stuff or something that right there that you could just, buy right away. So thank you all so much for watching. Love y'all. You're amazing. And bye.